Hello, Team Smart. This is Miss Warner-Dubin. Let's find our grade. There it is. So let's say that this is your team. You are in the general channel, and you have all these options up here, including your assignments. This one's very important. Check to see what you have done. It's going to be tagged as an art project if it's something that has to be turned in for a grade. You can also go up to my stream channel here, and that gives you access to all sorts of videos, check-ins, and tutorials. This is very important. You can also go over and check your grades. However, I will be grading in Focus, and that is going to be updated soon. Come on back to Posts, and you'll notice that you're muted. It's okay. Go to Files. Please do not post anything in here, as somebody already has, because I am going to be putting some important resources here in your class materials. I will be setting up a class notebook for you so that you can make notes and do all sorts of fun things that I haven't explored yet. However, let's leave the general channel and find your homeroom, for that is going to be where you are not muted anymore. That is a huge concern with everybody. So go down and find your homeroom teacher within your channel, and you will notice that you can post in here. It's also some official announcements and so forth. So let's see how you can respond. First of all, appropriately, make sure you watch that sway on our classroom expectations. Hit enter and you have posted something. Now here's a little paper clip down here. When you click that, you can upload from your computer any image that you want, including what you have created for your art assignment, or maybe a screenshot if you're a little confused. And so you search for that, click on it, make sure it's the right thing, and then open it. It's going to take a second to load, so please do not hit send yet. Once that green bar is gone, then you can hit the little arrow to send it, or just hit the return button, the enter button. Now you can see your image. You can also post emojis, GIFs, stickers, and so on. There's a lot of fun stuff to explore there. I got kind of caught up in it. Ooh, look. How fun is that? But I am going to delete this because it's a little bit of a clutter. I want you to stay focused on only posting about art. So I'm going to delete that, backspace, backspace, until I only have what I need. Now you can also react to things. So check this out. Oh, first I'm going to delete some of this chatter. Keep our area clean. I don't believe you have the capability of deleting as students, but you can react. Please react appropriately according to our expectations. There's going to be announcements in here for just your class. There also will be announcements in the general chat window for everybody in that grade. Go back to your teams, check it out. You've got a lot of different teams up here. You can search for your assignments on this sidebar. So I'm going to scroll down to a 4th grade class, as that is what my tutorial is based in. And you can see all of your assignments, whether you've turned it in, whether it's been graded, whether it's been returned to you. You can also go to your chat window, which might have been disabled by the county. You can go to your activity to see what you've missed. And here is our calendar. Now this is where I'm going to be starting our new meetings when I start to go live. I will be recording those videos so that if you can't get on when it's live, no problem. You can just check it out in my stream channel, which I've already showed you. There is no video capability for students. So just keep that in mind when you go to a new meeting. You will also have to hit mute so that you do not come up as one of the presenters. Thank you so much for joining me in this tutorial.
Bye!